From the future of off-grid luxury, greetings. A vehicle that radically redefines what adventure is all about is the 2026 Hummer Motorhome. Built on the revolutionary GM Ultium EV platform, this all-electric beast has a 450-mile range and a tri-motor all-wheel drive system with over 1,000 horsepower. Its muscular, powerful form adds a contemporary touch without compromising the iconic Hummer appearance. With its massive 37-inch tires, advanced skid plates, and reinforced carbon fiber body, this vehicle is designed to dominate any terrain. Technologies like four-wheel steering and CrabWalk mode let it to maneuver into confined locations that would stop other RVs in their tracks. It is a mobile fortress of luxury and power that is prepared to take you wherever in the world. Inside, the driver's cockpit is more like the command center of a spacecraft than a campervan. Your primary component is a massive 13.4-inch central touchscreen that manages everything from navigation to your off-grid systems. It perfectly combines with a 12.3-inch digital driver display, providing you with instant access to all the crucial information you want. The UltraVision system gives you the confidence you need to avoid hazards with up to 18 camera perspectives, including a live view below the car. To ensure a comfortable trip, the AI Smart Hub Atlas, which manages the whole system, learns your habits and automates the car's functions. The large living space is where the Hummer Motorhome truly shines. A simple design and high-quality, eco-friendly materials were used to create an open-concept smart lounge. The facility is completely automated with voice and gesture controls for the entertainment system, heating, and lighting. The ceiling is an amazing work of art, and it has a movable rooftop drone bay for route reconnaissance or taking breathtaking footage. When it's time to relax, a 65-inch TV silently hangs from the ceiling. Each passenger has a distinct and captivating experience thanks to a sophisticated, multi-zone climate control system and integrated speakers in the headrests. Just outside the lounge lies a peaceful retreat. The bedroom features a large wraparound window that offers a panoramic view of the surroundings, as well as a king-size bed. The smart, linked bed adjusts to your body's needs, and an advanced audio system and ambient lighting provide the perfect setting for a restful night's sleep. The room has lots of built-in storage under the bed and in the walls to keep everything nice and organized. The restroom redefines luxury when traveling. The spacious rainfall shower is a pleasant sight after a long day of sightseeing, and its ingenious water recycling system ensures that you might be able to stay off the grid for longer. The toilet is a modern, odorless compost system, and the vanity sink is sleek and straightforward. No matter where you go, a fresh and cozy atmosphere is guaranteed thanks to smart sensors that control the lighting and ventilation. The gourmet-style kitchen of the Hummer Motorhome demonstrates its commitment to freedom. A large refrigerator, a full-size induction cooktop, and a convection microwave oven are all powered by the car's massive battery. The countertops are made of a durable composite, and the smart pantry features a hydroponic garden that allows you to grow fresh greens while you're on the road. A built-in voice-activated coffee assistant ensures a consistently fresh brew.